What's up, it's Lil Trey. I'm not going to do a full-on tutorial for this, but when I was trying to find the bolt sizes for the 92 LeSabre, nobody has done a video explaining how to change a wheel hub on a 92 specifically. But the problem I was having was when you get down to the shield, it's got these star bolts right here, and all it is this T55 right there. Fits right in. Get all that loose. Make sure you knock this axle loose from the old hub. Now on mine, this was grinding real bad. You probably can't hear it on the video, but it's real worn out. And then I got this from Rock Auto. They sent it in 3 days. Shout out to them. I'm probably going to be using them from now on. But I mean, it's a simple procedure. You use your regular, take the caliper off, move it out of the way, pull the rotor. It's a fairly simple process. But yeah, the main problem I was having was finding this damn size on this, and it's a T55.